my dear learners, as we have just discussed, a contraction is a word that is formed from two words. When two words are contracted, it becomes a one word. Now, we are going to do our activity now, but before I give you, each and everyone is going to receive this little bag, and in this bag you will each have a few words, an apostrophe, as well as the contraction in order to make your word smaller, in order to have your word to contract. So before you start, before I give you your activity, I'm going to explain to you what you are going to do. First, you are going to take the word. For example, here we have the word we. So you take the word we and you read it out loud. Say we. Very good. And then you will take this word, paste it on the paper that I give you, or you put it on your table. Actually, you put it on your table, and then you take the next word that is a long word that makes sense with we. You understand? Now, can I say we? Can I say we am? No, obviously not, because it does not sound correct. It does not sound right. Okay? Now the best word that I will take will be we will. You understand? We will go to the mall. Very good. We will. Now read out loud. We will. We will. Now our aim is to contract these words and make it form one word. Contractions. You understand? Contractions. Let's contract these two words into one word. Now, in order to contract this word, I use my magic apostrophe. Say apostrophe. This is an apostrophe title that we use to contract our words because it is the magnet that brings the two words together and form one word. Now I will remove the word we. I will put my apostrophe right there and form the word we will. It is still the same. We will still say it the same way. We will go to the mall. Only difference here is we have taken out the W and the I in order to make the word smaller. Now let me show you. Here, if you take out the W and the I, here you remain with two L's. You understand? We have two L's there. We will. Or we will. And this is going to be your activity. This is what you're going to do in your next activity. The next word that I can give you an example before you start with your activity is I am. I will take the word, the letter I. Here is I. I put I right there. And we say am. I am. Here we have I am. I am. What did we say before we make any changes? We read out loud. Say I am. I am. Now we are trying to contract this word. We have to make a contraction of this word in order to make it smaller. Now what do we need? What do we need, learners? Yes, we need the magic apostrophe. Right here we have the magic apostrophe. We take out M and we put the magic apostrophe, and then we put the letter M. Sorry kids, my M has just fell down. And now I will put M right there. I am. The magic apostrophe magically takes the letter A away and replaced with M and the apostrophe. You understand? Okay, my sweet learners, we have just finished the one activity. I've just explained to you the one activity. Now the next activity that we're going to do is a nice and fun activity. It is also called contractions. We are also going to do contractions, but here with this activity, each and everyone is going to get 5 of these little slips. Each one will get 5 slips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slips. So when you get your slip, what you are going to do is you will take your one slip and you read out the 2 words for me. Here it's written, you are. You are. Now we are trying to contract this word. Remember, we want to make it smaller. So in order to make it smaller, what you are going to do is you take the slip where there is nothing and you fold it like this. You fold it like I'm doing right here and you bring it over to the other side. Oh, wow, did you see that? Magically, we have formed a contraction. You are. You are. You are beautiful. You see, we have just formed a contraction. Now, each and every one of your 5 little slips, that is what you are going to do. She will. We fold it right there where the line is and bring it here on the other side, and we have our contraction. She will. She will. You understand? Now this is going to be our next activity. I'm going to walk around and see that each and every one of you are doing a good job. And now I'm going to show you your next activity. Very good. Your next activity is going to be a worksheet, and you're going to fill this worksheet in so that I can test. Not exactly test. I just want to see who understands very well. We understand? So here is the worksheet that I'm going to give each and every one of you. Right here, this worksheet, you are going to answer the worksheet. You understand? In this worksheet, you will notice that there is a place for your name, for your grade, a place for today's date, the name of your school as well. And the instructions are here. Match the words to the correct contraction. Here we have an example. There are 2 words. I will has been put to I will. And since here we have the word I will has been connected to the 2 L's with an apostrophe. I will. Now each and everyone, take out your pencils. Have your pencils with you. Each and everyone is going to receive this little worksheet and you are going to answer this worksheet. You fill in your name, your grade and all the other parts, and what you are going to do is you take your pencil and you draw a line like I did right here. You draw the line to the correct contraction. Your words are here. Make your word shorter. You understand? Draw it to the correct contraction. Can I say I will and put this one to S? No, because it won't sound right, okay? This one will go here. I will. The 2 L's are there. Now let's look for the one with an S, a word that has an S in it. Let's look. Here we have he is. Oh, we have what is. Those 2 words also have the S at the end, which means that we can take this S and put he is and draw the line to the S with an apostrophe. His. So this will become his. Well, learners, thank you, and I hope you understood very well, and I know you are too brilliant. You're going to do a great job. Please me, please. Yes.